Did you know that something as simple as the way you breathe or sit can change your life completely? In a world filled with stress and rush, we forget that we have the power to transform our health and well-being with small but powerful adjustments in our body and mind. It's simpler than it seems. By just changing how you breathe and aligning your body, you can completely transform your day. Start by placing one hand on your lower back and the other on your abdomen. Now take a deep breath, expanding your abdomen, and then slowly exhale, letting it return to its normal position. It's the abdomen that should move, not the chest. At first, it may feel strange, but this is how we should naturally breathe. Most people tend to breathe shallowly, with their chest constantly rising and falling. This type of breathing is not only less efficient, but can also create tension and affect our emotional health. There is a strong connection between the way we breathe and how we feel. Diaphragmatic or deep. Breathing is not just a technical matter, but also about reconnecting with our body and mind. If you've never tried it, I invite you to breathe like you did when you were a child. This small adjustment can make a big difference in how you feel. The posture of our spine is another key aspect of our health. We spend many hours sitting in front of a computer, looking at our phones or resting on the couch, which causes our backs to curve incorrectly. The solution isn't complicated. We need to take care of our spine's alignment. Ancient yogis saw the spine as an antenna for receiving divine signals. In modern practice, our spines are overloaded and damaged by bad habits, especially when we reach our 30s and begin to feel the consequences. The good news is that this can be corrected with some simple adjustments in our daily routine. For example, try raising your arms as high as you can, and then slowly lower them to your sides. You'll notice that your posture improves almost immediately. When you focus on aligning the spine, not only do you improve your posture, but you also optimize your breathing. When your posture is correct, the body relaxes, breathing flows better, and everything enters a positive cycle. At the base of our spine lies a powerful energy called Kundalini, which yogis have spoken of for centuries. It's believed that when our spine is well aligned, this energy can rise freely, reaching the crown chakra, the famous Sahasrara, where the magic happens. However, releasing this energy isn't about waiting for a miracle. It's about following a specific path. One of the secrets to activating this energy is meditation. To start, dedicate 20 minutes a day to meditating. If 20 minutes seems too much, 15 minutes can also be effective. But try not to do less than that. Sit comfortably with proper back support, as this will help you maintain the correct posture without straining your muscles. Meditation begins with deep breathing. Close your eyes and focus on the air entering through your nostrils and reaching your abdomen. Don't try to control or change your breathing. Just observe it. Over time, you'll notice your breath naturally lengthening and deepening. At the same time, your mind will begin to calm down. When the rhythm of your breathing slows down, the mind follows. This is a principle known to yogis for centuries. As your breathing becomes slower and deeper, the whirlwind of thoughts turns into calm. This is the perfect moment to enter a state of presence and tranquility. Although it will be challenging at first, over time, the practice becomes more natural. Try doing it early in the morning or before going to sleep. Upon waking, your body is lighter and more ready for this practice. A warm or cold bath can help clear the mind and activate the body before beginning. I propose a challenge that could change your life. For the next 40 days, commit to dedicating just 20 minutes a day to the practice of breathing and meditation. This small but powerful act can have a profound impact on your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. The key to this process is consistency. At first, it's normal to feel like it's difficult or that you don't have time. But the most important thing is to start and be consistent. The first few days may be the hardest, but as you practice, you'll notice how your body and mind begin to adapt until the practice becomes completely natural and automatic. If you're persistent and manage to complete the 40 days, you'll be amazed at the changes you'll experience. Breathing and meditation are powerful tools that allow you to connect with yourself, reduce stress, improve focus, and cultivate an inner peace that, over time, transforms how you view the world and face the challenges of daily life. Remember, it's not just about reaching the 40 days, but using each day as an opportunity to grow, heal, and find inner balance. If you commit to this process, you'll see how aspects of your life that once seemed out of control begin to align. Don't underestimate the power of consistency. With dedication and patience, the results will come, and you'll feel your life turning toward a calmer, more balanced, and fulfilled version of yourself. Meditation is not just a tool for finding inner peace or reducing stress. It's also a powerful way to create the reality you desire. The human mind has an incredible capacity to manifest what it visualizes and feels. Think of the mind as a mirror. What you project internally in your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs is reflected in the outside world. If within you there are thoughts of scarcity, fear, or insecurity, it's likely that those same patterns will manifest in your daily life. On the other hand, if you cultivate thoughts of abundance, confidence, and peace, you'll start to see those same aspects reflected in your surroundings. This is the perfect time to use meditation not just as a relaxation practice, but as a tool for conscious intention. Through meditation, you can focus your mind on what you truly wish to achieve, the life you desire to live. Take this time to plant the seeds of your future. Every thought and every emotion that arises while meditating has the power to influence what you attract into your life. If instead of focusing on what you lack or fear, you focus on what you want to manifest, your mind will begin to work on creating that future. This process of creative visualization allows you to reprogram your mind, change limiting beliefs, and set new intentions that guide your path. Through constant meditation practice and becoming aware of your thoughts and emotions, you can transform the internal vibrations you emit, which will change how you experience the world around you. Remember that reality is not fixed, but something that is constantly being created. By meditating, you are also aligning your inner being with the energies and opportunities available to you. The key is to maintain an open mindset, trust the process, and be willing to take the necessary actions to materialize what you've visualized. Gradually, you will start to see how the reality you desire begins to manifest before you, because what you project from within sooner or later will be reflected on the outside. If this video has inspired you to begin your journey toward deeper well-being, don't forget to support this content. Like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell so you won't miss future videos full of practical advice to transform your life. And don't forget to share with those you think could benefit too. Leave us a comment below and tell us what you think or how you plan to apply these tips in your daily life. Together, we can create a community of well-being and growth.